Hi. See, I'm in Sivasagar now. Hi. This is the night view of Sivasagar. I am standing in one of the side of this big pond which is known as Borpukhuri. You can see it's very big. And this is Shivdol, Vishnudol and Devidol, which is established by Ahom Sampradaya. And this is Circuit House of Sivasagar, which is behind me where I am standing. And straight we can see some lights. These are the lights glittering. There is the Commerce College, and on the left side there is Sivasagar Central Jail. So what a climate it is in Sivasagar at this night. Wow, great. You see the peace we can see here. There are two swans swimming on this Borpukhuri. What a pleasant and peaceful scene it is. I think you can also imagine peace you can see. At night, this two swan is swimming in this Borpukhuri. So thank you very much for watching this video of Sivasagar, which is located in Upper Assam. Thank you for watching till end. At last, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel JourneyJoy, which is based on travel blogs. Thank you very much for watching till end.